What's up, y'all? So I'm in the Camaro, and yeah, the service suspension system service light just came on. So I think this going back to Carvana. What y'all think? I think so. Let me show y'all what the warning light looks like. So that's the warning light, service system. I got it with 99,065 miles on it, and it has like 99. I don't even want to like take that off. Like, I don't even want to go to the next thing. Like, you know what I'm saying? I just want that to stay right there. So when I crank it back up, it's right there. But it's like 99,255. They're gonna have to do that anyway. So 99,261 is the miles that's on it right now. So I'm under my 400 miles. They do 400 miles, 7 days. So, and I don't know if y'all can hear how loud that front strut is, but it definitely, I could tell almost like the next day after, but I wanted it to like be 100% that issue and give it with that warning light on. And there's a couple little small bumps in my subdivision, and this thing drives right over it so harsh. And I get it, it's a sports car, you know, but I've driven Corvettes before, and the ride quality is better than that, and that's a Corvette. So yeah, we gotta get this back over to Carvana. And the thing about it is, they try to like send you over to the warranty company, Silver Rock, but like I don't even want to deal with them, like, because what I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna have y'all waste my time. They give you 7 days, 400 miles, so I'm within both of those. I was gonna drive it to my lot, which is in Phoenix City, and I live in Ellenwood, but I'm just like, nah, let's just take it back to the house, and let's deal with Carvana, because I may be taking this one back and just waiting for another one to hit the market that is within my budget, if they don't fix the suspension system, because that, you know, that's something that can just be, you know, just a mess. You know, it can be dragged out. And this car does have the magnetic ride control, so it's not like the cheap the cheap struts and shocks. So, and then one of the other things I saw, which I think they lied, in the 150 mile inspection. So we're gonna take the bends. My wife got the thing popped for me. In the 150 mile inspection report, it stated that the struts had been replaced, repaired or replaced. I think that was the option, repaired or replaced. But I can clearly look. I can even look at the shock, the strut up front, and tell that strut up front has not been replaced. Like, literally, it is rusted. This car was, well, there's some remnants of rust. So this car had been in, it had been up north in New York. It doesn't have like rust under the body or anything, like out of control or anything like that. But I can tell that had been rusted up under there. So there's no way you've replaced it. It've still got remnants of rust up under it. So, oh my God. Hold a minute. This is how, I put it on the seat to like let me out, but like it like went forward. Like, Jesus, thank you. All right, y'all. I will. So that's the situation as of right now. So we got to figure that part out. So I'm gonna leave this thing in the garage because I ain't putting no more miles on it. They're not about to trap me. They're not about to tell me that I can't turn this thing in. So that's the situation with the Camaro, man. I really do like the car. I hope that they fix the suspension system just outright, like just fix it and tell me to come back and pick it up, and there's no issues with it. And then I'll forgive the 7 days after that. It didn't be on me. But so far, that's the only thing that I've seen pop up. So I'm glad it did it. And yeah, so I gotta get my curly brush on there. I got a flat top going on. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. More updates on the Camaro will be soon. So we're gonna see. Can I get it in the shot? I'm not a professional with this thing. So we're gonna see if we get to keep this thing. So I'll let y'all know. So watch the next video to see if I get to keep this thing. Hopefully I do. Fingers crossed. I like it, but I ain't about to get burned. You know what I mean?
A few moments later.
Okay, so I just literally thought I was recording this video. Man, gotta be kidding me. Anyway, so that didn't take long. I just got off the phone with Carvana, and unfortunately, they will not fix the vehicle and give it back to me. They will only allow me to execute the repair through the warranty company, which is called Silver Rock. And Silver Rock, here's the thing about warranty companies, guys. With being a dealer, I know this. And so for all of you consumers out there that, you know, that are not dealers, anytime you go through a warranty company, it's somewhat of a game. And sometimes the experience can be good. Sometimes the experience can be normal, which is the game aspect. In most cases, it's going to be a game. But anyway, so they told me that the suspension service, the suspension would have to be serviced through Silver Rock if I want to keep the vehicle, or it would just have to be returned back to them. So I elected to return the vehicle back to them. And the reason I elected to do that is Silver Rock has a stipulation in their limited warranty that any wearable parts will not be covered. Every freaking part is wearable on a car, okay? Every part is wearable, which means that leaves this looming type of vibe of, will they approve it or will they not approve the repair? You only get 7 days to get your money back with Carvana. And so if you go to a service shop and they take 2 days to diagnose it, the time doesn't stop. The time does not stop then. It stops when you take the car back, right? And when you decide to execute. So my 7 days was supposed to be up on Saturday. And I just went ahead and elected to have them return the vehicle and come back and get the vehicle. And the reason why is we had the service suspension system came on. The warning came on for that today. You remember the sunroof? That sunroof needed to be realigned. Something is going on with it. As soon as you close the door, it drops down a little bit. The driver's side door speaker was busted. It needed to be changed out. I could live with that. I could fix that myself. Wasn't a big deal. Ooh, slow down, slow down, slow down. I'm on the highway to the lot, and there's a spot where this cop sits every day. So I had to slow it down. Yep, there's 2 of them up here today, which means that they can get you. They can get you either way today. So I had to slow it down. But anyway, I'm back at it. I'm back speeding again. No, I was just joking. So yeah, I elected to have them come back and get the Camaro, man, because of those issues. It wasn't just that one, but that service suspension was the nail in the coffin for me, because you're talking about that's going to be some money, you know. And the car had the magnetic ride suspension, which is like an adjustable suspension, pretty much similar to, if you had to compare like the expensiveness to like Airmatic with Mercedes. Mercedes struts and shocks are not cheap. They're literally like, damn, from the dealer, like $1,000 per shock and per strut. Now Chevrolet is probably half that, so it's probably like $500 each. And so I wasn't gonna take that pill to swallow. I'll just pay a little bit more for a car and get one that I don't have to deal with that issue right off the bat. I was getting a deal. I did get a deal on that Camaro, and as I said to y'all, it was the cheapest Camaro in Atlanta online, and that was a reason, because it really had that suspension issue. It just had a lot of issues, and the miles really on it was really high for a 6-year-old car, or really a 7-year-old car. Because it was sold in 2015. It was a 2016 year model, but it was sold in the year of 2015. And so it had 99,000 miles on it. But for the most part, man, I enjoyed the couple days I had it. It confirmed to me that I like the Camaro SS. I just got to get a better one. And yeah, I'm not gonna get anything else though. I'm not gonna. Well, let me not say that. I'm not going to say that 100%. I don't want to get anything else as of right now. I want to get another Camaro. I love the black on black. I don't see them anywhere right now, black on black. But we'll see. We'll just get my check, put it in the bank, let it sit, and then we'll see. We'll see what pops up and get something else. I wanted it because I always wanted a Camaro, and it was my birthday and all of that, you know, trying to do something nice for myself. And now I know that before I buy it, I gotta go and test drive it. I tried the Carvana because my wife bought this Benz that I'm driving. This car is awesome, but it only had 20,000 miles on it when she bought it, and it's a 2016, which means it had been significantly taken care of. It was somebody's pride and joy. My Camaro was not someone's pride and joy. It was somebody's, you know, workhorse. And so it reflected in the mechanics of the car. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this part of the video up. So that's the status on the Camaro. It's going back to the seller. Short-lived. Didn't do any mods, but I'm gonna get another one so we can mod it out. It may be a 1LE. That would be nice, especially with being a manual. One thing I did like was the rev matching. That was pretty cool. And the no lift shift will probably be even cooler. So I may have to get a 1LE for certain. Yeah, so I'll see y'all on the next video, and you'll see what else I buy with my next car. I get, hopefully it's a nice 1LE Camaro SS. I don't like the 2020, so it won't be a 2020. It'll be either 16 through 19, one or the other. They so bright. One or the other, and we'll rock it out from there. Yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about my decision on letting it go back to Carvana with surface suspension system, busted interior speaker, sunroof dropping down when you shut the door. All in all, that's all I saw that was wrong with it. And 99,000 miles for 2016. Let me know what y'all would have done. Would you have kept it and just, you know, did the struts yourself, the suspension yourself, or do you agree with it? Let me know. Drop a comment. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I get the next Camaro. You don't want to, or the next car. It could be something else. I don't want to go Mustang. I'm not gonna go Mustang. I'm not gonna go Mustang. If anything, I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm not gonna spoil it. Turn your notification bell on. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.